Looking to upgrade your car's sound system without breaking the bank or compromising on space? In today's video, we're reviewing the best 4x6 car speakers for compact vehicles and crystal clear audio. Let's start with the Pioneer TSG4620S, a trusted favorite among budget-conscious car audio enthusiasts. These speakers are part of Pioneer's G series, known for blending affordability with decent performance. The TSG4620S features a durable black injection-molded polypropylene cone that enhances bass output while maintaining a slim profile for easy installation. It delivers up to 200 watts of peak power, though its 30-watt RMS rating is what really counts for consistent performance. Users rave about its sharp highs and decent mids, which make it ideal for replacing factory-installed speakers in compact sedans, trucks, or SUVs. If you're looking for crisp audio on a tight budget, this Pioneer model is a dependable entry point. Moving on to the ROCKFORD FOSGATE P1462. Punch 4x6 speakers, this set takes things up a notch in terms of clarity and build quality. These speakers are engineered with ROCKFORD's proprietary VAST surround technology, which increases the effective radiating cone area for more impactful sound. With 35 watts RMS and a peak of 70 watts, the P1462 can handle louder volumes without distortion. The polypropylene woofer cone and PEI dome tweeter work together to deliver detailed sound reproduction, especially in the mid to high frequency range. These are perfect for drivers who listen to rock, jazz, or podcasts and want a richer audio experience. The included multi-fit adapter plate also allows for more flexible installation across different car models. 6420. JBL is a name that consistently comes up in the conversation when quality and reliability are top priorities. The Club 6420 speakers offer 70 watts RMS and feature polypropylene cones with a balanced dome tweeter for high-end clarity. What sets this speaker apart is its wide frequency response range and its ability to reproduce vocals and instruments with incredible warmth and precision. This makes it ideal for anyone who appreciates music detail, whether it's subtle background harmonies or punchy kick drum. The Club 6420 also has a compact design, allowing it to fit snugly in vehicles where space is limited. It's a little more expensive than the Pioneer or Kicker models, but the sound quality justifies the cost. C4604. Part of Kicker's DS series. Known for their rugged construction and clear performance, these 4x6 speakers are a top choice for those seeking a tough, long-lasting upgrade. Delivering about 60 watts RMS, the 43DS-C4604 is designed with a high-sensitivity motor that requires less power from your head unit or amplifier while still producing strong output. The speakers feature a stiff polypropylene woofer and a PEI tweeter that deliver balanced sound across all genres. It's a solid all-around performer that doesn't need additional amplification to shine, making it perfect for daily drivers or work trucks where durability matters as much as sound. GNX coaxial speaker. If you're after power and clarity without stepping into the premium price bracket, DS18 has you covered. These speakers boast 135 watts peak power and 45 watts RMS, putting them among the more powerful options in this size class. With a mylar dome tweeter and ferrite magnet structure, the G4.6 She delivers clean treble and tight mid-range performance. Whether you're upgrading an older vehicle or simply want something that can keep up with bass-heavy tracks, this DS18 model offers great bang for your buck. They are also praised for their easy installation and modern design aesthetics, making them a hit among DIY car audio enthusiasts.